What the hell? Which way does it go? No, that's the way it goes. What? I saw him inside. He's sitting the correct way.
Did they put it the one way?
That's normal.
Maybe it just had a more powerful reverse and forward or something. So
no, but look at what he's doing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's gonna reverse, watch. I want to watch the door get torn off. This isn't safe sitting this close.
Is it meant to do that?
No, look at where he's sitting in it. Is he turning around? I wonder if he's turning around.
Is he meant to turn it off midway over a car?
I think he did that on purpose, yeah.
What if the car explodes?